How can one legal error unravel an entire court case on appeal? Imagine a single mistake in a courtroom that can turn everything upside down. That's what happens when a legal error is serious enough to change the outcome of a case on appeal. When a case is appealed, the focus is on whether the law was applied correctly, not just who won or lost. Appellate courts review the legal parts of the trial, like how the judge interpreted laws or instructions given to the jury. If they find a mistake, they decide if it affected the final decision. For example, if a judge misinterprets a law or gives wrong instructions to the jury, that can be a legal error. If that mistake likely influenced the jury's decision, the appellate court can reverse the verdict. They do not re-examine all the facts, only whether the legal process was fair and correct. If the error was harmless and didn't change the outcome, the case usually stays as it is. But if the error is big enough to have affected the trial's fairness, the case can be overturned or sent back for a new trial. Another key point is whether the error was properly raised during the trial. The party appealing must have objected to the mistake at the right time and made sure it was recorded. If they didn't object or the objection was not recorded, the court might ignore the error. This is called preserving the error for appeal. Without this step, even a serious mistake can't be used to change the case. The standard of review also matters. Some errors are looked at very carefully and can lead to reversal if they are shown to be prejudicial. Others are reviewed more leniently. For instance, giving wrong jury instructions or improperly excluding evidence can be enough to unravel a case if they are proven to have influenced the outcome and were properly preserved. In simple terms, a small mistake in how the law was applied can cause the entire case to fall apart if it's shown that the mistake affected the trial's fairness. This process keeps the legal system fair and ensures that all parties follow the rules. It also shows how important it is to pay attention to legal details during a trial, because one error can change everything on appeal.